Okay, so wasn't anticipating doing a video so quickly, but Bitcoin is really dripping down now. Looks like we have a potential reversal setting up. As you know from my video last night in the members area and my previous video about an hour ago, I said these two areas are a potential support area. Tapped this initially, bounced up, then failed. Now it's coming back down to the 200-day simple moving average. This is the exponential here, which is about a I don't know, about a 4,000, 5,000 point difference in between the two. So that's where we stand. Let's look at the 4-hour quickly. It looks like we're developing a potential hammer here on the 4-hour chart. 1 hour looks good too. Another hammer action. Go to the daily. Whoop. Daily. There was a picture of if you Google a picture of an elephant candle, when this was fully filled, that was the definition of a elephant candle. But it's come off the 200-day nicely, so looking good on the 1 hour. So let's see if this is a potential trend changing candle. We still got another 36 minutes to go. My cousin, an active Bitcoin crypto trader, is telling me that Coinbase and Binance is currently down and you're not able to purchase Bitcoin at the moment. Let me ask him. Let's see if you get an update. Update. Wow. Nope. What's the reason? Massive volume, I guess. Yeah, that's probably it. Wow, that sucks. Just like Robinhood and GameStop. Remember when? So, looking good. Got a nice little hammer forming. Obviously, we still got another 30 minutes before it closes. So, that's looking good. So, let's see if the 200-day simple moving average is where the bleeding stops. Cousin's pissed off. He wants to buy Bitcoin. He can't. Feeling FOMO. He's got FOMO action. I don't trade that way personally, even though it does look pretty good right now. But I would wait for a confirmation, at least on the 1 hour chart, and see if we can get wait for that hammer to close. If you get a close on the 1 hour chart, then I'll look to possibly take a long here. But I would wait until about 10 o'clock before I jump the gun, because we're still in that liquidation phase, and obviously we're just waiting for that trend reversal, and that could be this hammer forming right now on the 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, to be that trend reversal. potentially. But Bitcoin is Bitcoin, and it does trade untraditionally at times. So that's why we always are patient when we take a position here. So we'll just kind of chill out, see what it does on for the next 30 minutes. Market opens up in 2 minutes, so let's see if we get some flow, some nice flow here. Hammer forming on the 1 hour. Whoop, spell hour wrong. There we go. All right, let's see what happens here on the when the market opens in 2. What we got here? 2 minutes. Minute 20. So yeah, that's what we looked at. As you know, last night we looked at the 200-day moving average as potential reversals. So let's see if the 200 simple moving average ends up being the support level. Liquidation. Whoop. Spell liquidation with a G. That's good. Central banker attack against cryptos. All right. In my opinion. So I think the last 20, 30,000 points on this drip down on Bitcoin is due to a concerted effort of the central banks attacking Bitcoin, selling it short. And now that I hear that Binance and Coinbase is having issues with then it's going to be more difficult for this pushback to come up. Hopefully they can get their shit together and people are able to buy Bitcoin. I would like to buy some as soon as I get that confirmation at 10 o'clock. Yep, I see that. So, yep, nice looking hammer here. Just went green. Schwab? Charles Schwab doesn't work either. So yeah, looking good. That's a halfway decent hammer forming here on the 1 hour. Oh shit. Okay. Woo! So, I guess I called it, or I'm one of probably 1,000 other people that called the 200-day moving averages as potential support areas. So, we're looking good. We want to close, let's see if we can close this hammer on the 1 hour candle before we start potentially taking a long here. Let's not get that FOMO action like my cousin here. So desperate to get Coinbase to work so he can take a long. This thing could turn around and as quickly as it's pushing up now. So we'll see. Bro, cryptos was like that. Yeah, okay. He bought the Bitcoin Trust. All right. He's got that FOMO action. So desperate to get in. So my cousin and I had a little bet. I told him like 3 months ago, 4 months ago, that Bitcoin was going to go to 30K. And he said, no, it's going to 200K, which it might. But I thought, hey, it's probably going to go to 30K before that ever happens. And here we are, 30K. So that's the daily. So that's a nice recovery here. It went from 32 to 30K 200 to 35-ish. So we're up about 5K off that 200-day moving average. So if you guys were bold enough to take it off the 200, congratulations. You're looking handsome right now. Alright, so no reason to keep on going on this video. So let's look to see how it closes on the 1 hour chart. That ends up being as handsome of a hammer as it is currently. Look to take a long and look to 38.2, 38.3 as a potential resistance area, and then over and above that, potentially 40, 43-ish, 42.7 as a potential resistance area. But wait for this candle to close on the 1 hour chart. If it closes as a hammer, that could be a trend changing hammer, and then we'll look to go long. So I'll let you guys go. I'll let you guys know when I take my long on Discord, and we'll go from there. So knock on wood. Let's see if we call the bottom here on Bitcoin, and we'll go from there. I'll do a update on our Goldman Sachs short. Looking really good on that. We're down another 6 points today. As you know, we entered Goldman yesterday. Yesterday. Here, let me bring in Goldman quickly. So we got short here at 65, and we're looking good. We're up about 7-8 points right now. I haven't checked the profits yet. I've been watching Bitcoin. So all in all, looking good. Only position we currently hold is the Goldman Sachs short, and potentially looking at a potential long on Bitcoin. If we can close, if this hammer closes at 10 o'clock. So that's where we stand, gang. See you when I see ya. Take care.